Hello everyone and welcome to this brand new episode on our YouTube channel Rescoli by Carlo. So what do we have here? This is a decadent piece where we used a lot of techniques in creating this piece of furniture. You might find all these techniques in our channel. We have various and varying videos on how to do all these things together. But we just collected everything and we're calling it like an ensemble of all the techniques you can use to create a piece as decadent as this piece. We are calling it Madame Baroque because of the style we created. The Baroque style was a little bit decadent and very flourish. So we decided to do all this in one piece. You might also remember this piece shown in another video we have on YouTube, so you can see the before there. And we're showing you here also the before. And we will be discussing all the process. So let's go. So what did we do here? It's taken much time to think about the process and what we were going to do. So first, this original piece had some old wooden molds on it, and we decided to remove everything from the doors and the drawers. We removed also the knobs, which are the original knobs, and we gave them some gold French sheen on it and some browning wax on all four of them. Where did we start? First, we started by planning where we were going to do the decoupage paper. So the decoupage paper here, we decided to put it here, but before decoupaging, actually we used cream colors underneath this piece here, and we did also some crackle. We did crackle on cream with cream because we just wanted to have that feel. So when you touch this decoupage paper, you can feel that it is a little bit rough, just to create a little bit of an old feeling. So it's like this piece of furniture has been done like decades ago rather than a couple of weeks ago. Then we decided where to put these molds. We used bendy molds. In fact, we bended some of them, and there we had a cut of where we were going to do on the other part over here. So this part over here, this side with the drawers and all this side where we did raised stenciling. So the raised stenciling is in the Baroque style stencil. We did some paste and we just let it dry, and afterwards, when it was dry, we started the process of blending the colors. Here we used mustard. We also used a mix of mustard with red to have a darker shade, and then we used the black to blend in all the colors. Basically, these colors were a reflection of the decoupage we have on the other side. So we we started that process. We sanded before painting so that we had a neater edge of the raised stenciling, and then we did the blending. Afterwards, we used the stencil to create these effects on the raised stenciling. We used the black, we used the mustard, we used also the gold to give it a bit of a feel of old age, basically. And here, the leg, we painted it in mustard, then we used some gold on it, and then we brushed with black, so that we had like a continuation on this side from the leg upwards. Molds. The molds we fixed in place. We painted in black beforehand. Then we did some blending here between the raised stenciling and the molds, so that we could create that feeling of shading from the decoupage, so it feels like the decoupage is fading away into the raised stenciling. And here we just did some gold. We used a little bit of faded gold so that the attention would be on the piece rather than on the center. But here you can see that we can open the doors, the drawers can open. We can also use the lower part here. This can be opened just as much as this can be opened as well. And we also painted the inside. We did it in black and some stenciling as well, so that it could continue. We also blended here with the colors, so that when you open the cupboard, you can see there is a flow. It doesn't just stop there. This part, as scary as it may seem, this decoupage paper was just, you have the left side of the face, and this is the left side in reverse. So when you match the face, it doesn't look like a full face, but a mirror effect. So what did we do after doing the decoupage on the crackle that we created and let it dry? Of course, we gave it another coat of sealing agent. We used some gold leaf to create this crack all over here, and it goes up here and on the top, and also we kept on going on the other leg. What we have here is the idea of a mirror effect. It's not just a full face, but it is a face that it is a reflection of itself. Obviously, when you have this piece in your home, you either see it from the front or you see it from the side. So it is a reflection of the decoupage paper. So when you see it like this, you might be a little bit scared, but it's not, because in reality it is much smoother and much cleaner than the video shows. And here we have the surface of the piece. So what did we do here? We painted it all in black. Here you can see the gold leaf keeping on fading away all over practically half of it. So when you see the image, the gold starts from the floor with the leg, and then it keeps on the face to create the mirror effect, and then it goes on top. And here on the top we used different shades of color, and also different stencils. So we started here with the diamond effect, and then we continued with the Baroque style that's on the front, and we did also this part here like it's a ribbon. And basically the the flakes, the gold flakes, keep on going all over the surface to create this stunning new effect. And finally, when we finished from the outside, we continued with stenciling on the sides of the drawers, but they are different. So here and this part here, on here, we used this stencil here, which is closer to the part, the ribbon part on the surface. On the other side of the second drawer, we used the Baroque stencil, as I already showed you, and here on the first drawer, we used the diamond effect, so that when you open the drawers, you see a continuation with the surface. And then finally, we sealed. We used some brown wax on everything to create this effect here. And you can also see the different shades we used on the raised stenciling. And we let it cure. And now finally it's ready. Thank you very much for watching our episode today. We have discussed this piece of furniture that we did, and it is like a whole process that we went through. Just remember that every single technique that we used here can be found on our YouTube channel. So any technique you might want to use on your furniture, you can just find the proper video on our channel. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is obviously Rescoli by Carlo. Until next time, ta-ta!